How to speed up slow Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can speed up slow Windows 11 laptop or PC. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up settings in your device. For that, use the search icon and in search bar type in settings. Once you have opened the settings in your Windows 11, navigate to your menu bar on your left hand side and click on System. Under System, scroll all the way down and click on About. Here, under the device specifications or next to this related links, click on the link that says Advanced System Settings. Then you will have this pop-up box in your interface that is System Properties. Here at the first section, Performance, click on Settings. Once you're here, choose this third option that says Adjust for Best Performance. And then click on Apply, then click on OK. Then you can close this and again click on Apply from here as well. And then again close this. Once that, you can close these settings and after that restart your device. Once you have restarted your laptop or PC, now your Windows 11 is speed up. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing and do not forget to like and comment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.